Did you know there are more mobile phones in the world than there are toothbrushes? In some countries, there are more mobile subscriptions than there are people. 91% of all U.S. citizens have their mobile device within reach 24/7. It takes 26 hours for the average person to report a lost wallet. It takes 68 minutes for them to report a lost phone. In 2012, there was a 55% increase in smartphone subscriptions. By 2015, more people will access the internet through a smartphone or tablet than a PC. The average response time to an email is 90 minutes. The average response time to a text message is 90 seconds. Almost two-thirds of Facebook's user base uses Facebook Mobile. More than 20% of global YouTube viewers come from mobile devices. More than half of the local searches are performed on a mobile device. 70% of all mobile searches result in action within 1 hour. Google earns $2.5 billion in mobile ad revenue annually. The mobile ad market is expected to grow to $22 billion by 2016. PayPal expected to process $10 billion in mobile payment volume in 2012. Mobile coupons are 10 times more likely to be used than traditional paper coupons. 61% of the people who use their mobile device to visit a website that was not optimized for mobile visited the website of a competitor. In 2011, the use of QR codes increased by 300%. Over 30,000 apps have been developed in the past 3 years. By 2015, the number of app downloads will be over 100 billion. 52% of marketers plan to create a mobile or tablet-optimized website. 41% of them hope to develop a mobile app in the near future. Do you have a mobile marketing strategy in place? Get in touch with us to see how we can help you.